So in this presentation, I'm going to be talking about my trip to Hawaii 2 summers ago. My name is Eliza Agredano. So this is a tide pool in Honolulu. We hiked down a big mountain to get down to this tide pool area, and it was one of the three blowholes in the entire world. So that's what you see on the right-hand side of the water splashing up. So every time the tide would come up and into the water would splash up hot water. So the other two are in Australia and in Mexico, which is called La Bufalora in Mexico. This is the North Shore, which is a beach north in Honolulu, Hawaii. And to get here, you have to travel by car around a lot of curvy mountaintops, a lot of green scenery. It's a really pretty drive. Once you get here, the water is what you imagine to be hot, clear. The sand is so soft, and you can actually see ridges in the water. So when you're in the water, it looks like you're taking a shower because that's how clear the water is, and it's warm. And the cliffs on the left side, it's kind of far in the distance. It's a cliff, and you just walk up and jump into the water, like cliff jumping, but smaller. And when I did that, you actually saw a green sea turtle. So it was kind of interesting to see that you can see a turtle while in the ocean swimming just that close to shore. This is a picture of pineapples growing at the Dole plantation, and that's actually how pineapples grow. So they sprout up into a plant, and the pineapples are actually the middle of the plant. So as they get bigger, the plant starts to look smaller, and it just looks like a tiny plant holding a pineapple. And while at the Dole plantation, you saw many other type of fruits that the Dole company does produce. But pineapples was the main specialty because it was in Hawaii, and everything around it was surrounded by pineapples. This is a picture of me and Goofy at the Aulani Hotel in Disney, the Aulani, which is the Hawaiian hotel that's put on by Disney. This is our first day there, so they actually put a lei on you, and for the men, they put beads on you, which is a Hawaii tradition. And then this is standing in the lazy river, so that's the yellow tube that you see. So as one of their pools is a lazy river, so it goes all the way around the hotel, and then once you go around it, there's a water slide, and then there's a infinity pool and another relaxing pool. And then this is the view from the lobby. So when you walk in, there's a big overlooking the entire Hawaii. So the Aulani Hotel has its own private island, which you technically don't even have to leave the hotel because everything is right on the Disney property. So right past those rocks, that's where the water slide is, and then over behind those rocks is the infinity pool and the other pool, and then the private beach. So you can paddleboard on there, snorkel, anything you can imagine. So we only stayed there for 2 days, but we did all of our other activities out in the ocean in actually Waikiki and Honolulu. And that's the end of my presentation.